Guys, Mr. T here, just another video on the write-up for your statistics DI or directed investigation. Now I'm going to show you how to write a method. Because you're doing any maths report or any science report or experiment, you need to provide a method of how you carried out your tests so that anyone else in the world could repeat those tests and find similar results to you. So a method is sort of a detailed guide as to how you actually collected your data in this assignment so that someone else could try it themselves and see if they get similar results or different results to you. So method is the next part after the introduction that you want to do. We have a scaffold here. In your own words, tell the reader how you collected the data to be used in an investigation with enough detail so that someone could repeat it in future. I'm copying that task sheet bit. I'm scrolling down to the end of the document where I'm writing my actual report. This is just the task sheet, okay? This is telling me what to do. Now I'm actually going to do it. Method. One, how did I collect the data? Students were asked to open their devices and their chosen web browser. Students were asked to open humanbenchmark.com. Students were asked to click on the reaction time test. Students were given a card to write their information and data on. I'll screenshot what that looked like. The card looked like this. Oop. I don't want it numbered, what the heck? Too big. I want that tight. Wrap text. Put it in the middle. Right, continue. 5 students were asked to carry out 5 trials. The 5 trials on the reaction time test to get an average score. Students were asked to record the average score 3 times on their card. Students were asked to write their name. But just keep in mind, that was just for me as the teacher. You guys don't need each other's name, but it might be useful for like if you stop working on the DI and started again the next week, like it's useful to have the name. So you don't have to have the name, but it might be useful. Students were asked to write their name and whether they were a gamer or not. Students were asked to return their cards to me after filling them out. That is a method. Control B, Control U. That would give people enough information to carry out the test. Heck, they've got the card there as well. they could carry out the tests and collect the exact same data that I did in future if they wanted to see if my results were dodgy or not. Okay, so that is an example of writing a method. So my method is done now. Move this back. I'll make that move with the text. How about that? So that's intro and method. And that's it for that video. Hopefully that helps you out, and see you in the next one.